Yes. Right.
You filming?
Yes.
All right, let's open up the micropopz. Disney micropopz. And let's see if I wonder who it'd be. Maybe the Horned King from the Black Cauldron. You know the Black Cauldron?
It's supposed to be Disney characters.
Oh, this is a repeat. We already have this.
We already have this one.
We already have it.
All right.
Well, I do not want this one to be a repeat. I want this one to be a new one, and it looks new. Wonder who it is.
Ah.
Tigger.
Tigger. That's
Tigger, my boy Tigger.
That's a new one, right?
And he's green. Why is he green? He should be orange.
Yeah.
Okay, let's get something new again. I want to see if we get someone new. What's a...
Maybe Piglet.
Piglet? Or
something Star Wars.
yeah, or maybe we'll get Maleficent or something.
Is she Disney too? Oh,
yeah,
yes,
yeah.
of course, yeah.
Oh, we got Daisy. Daisy Duck.
Oh, we got Minnie before, right?
Yeah.
Actually,
And let's see who we get here.
you gave Minnie to me.
Yeah. Oh, either Chip or Dale.
Oh, I love it. I love it.
Yeah.
Do you think we
Micropopz.
Do you think we can figure out whether it's Chip or Dale?
Yeah. I would ask you to sound off in the comments, but apparently YouTube has been taking the comments off of my videos because I'm a kid.
Okay, I think that's better.
Those ageists. They are ageists, okay? They are discriminating on me because I'm a kid. And that is bull crap.
Okay, no swearing, otherwise YouTube will remove your video. Well, but that's not such a bad word.
Yeah. But yeah, this is good. I like micropopz. Bye, guys.
Bye.